This video answers how to buy shares of Evraz PLC, a major integrated steel and mining company listed on the London Stock Exchange, ticker EVR.L. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your identity, typically with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EVR.L to locate the correct listing. Confirm you select the Evraz PLC entry that trades on the LSE. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for context. Double-check company information and the ticker to ensure this is the correct Evraz listing. Click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and select your order type. Then review the details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to your order type. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the link to the broker used in this example, see the description below.